how to make a BOM of procedurally generated geometry by geometry nodes in Blender. So let's say it's a kitchen and it consists of these cabinets, right? And they are generated entirely through these geometry nodes on top of a cube. So we imprint in this attribute BOM, like this cabinet one. This one geonode can imprint 10 characters. If we want more, then we need to stack these geonodes. So it's like just stack like this. And then we can write more characters. Cabinet 1, okay, so that's like this. And so we have these journals that basically does what it says. And yeah, it is like this, and then it's based on another journal that basically makes a character to ASCII code that you can later read through Python. Yep. So this is this kitchen. We can now see that it has 3 cabinets, and then we go to scripting and we can run the script. And if we look at this system console, then we can see that we have this cabinet that has longer name, and we have 2 of those, and then we have this cabinet 2. Yeah. We can check again, we can add more of these. Now we will have more, and then we can, let's see, we have now more, 3 of these and one of the other one. So basically, yeah, you can make dynamic names for cabinets or for parts. You can make a BOM, you can format it through Python, you can like do whatever with Python with this. So yeah, basically this principle is what is important.